In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a task manager with subtasks and dependencies. We'll start right inside a Notion page. To set up a proper task manager, the first thing you want to do is create a database. In the empty block, type a /, then the word database. Notion will show you several database options in a small menu. This is how you tell Notion you want a structured table where each row can become a task. From the options that appear, choose Database Inline. This creates a table directly on your current page, instead of sending it to a separate full-page view. An inline database is perfect for a task manager because you can keep notes, instructions, or other content above or below it on the same page. Once the database appears, look for the settings icon for that database. Depending on your layout, it might look like 3 dots or a small menu in the top right corner of the table. Click on that to open the database settings. This is where you control advanced features like subtasks and dependencies. In that menu, find and click on More Settings. This will expand a panel with additional options specifically designed for project and task management. Take a second to get familiar with this area because you will come back here whenever you want to tweak how your task system behaves. Next, look for the option labeled Sub-items. This is what Notion uses to handle subtasks under a main task. Click on Sub-items and you'll see a description of how sub-items work. To actually enable this, click on Turn on Sub-items. Once this is on, each task can have smaller, related tasks nested underneath. This is really useful for breaking big projects into manageable pieces while still keeping everything connected to a single parent task. After sub-items are enabled, return to the same database settings menu again by clicking on the settings icon. Go back into More Settings so we can now set up dependencies, which is what tells Notion that one task needs another task to be done first. Inside the expanded settings, click on Dependencies. This feature lets you define relationships like blocked by or blocking between tasks. To use it, click on Turn on Dependencies. With this enabled, you can mark that certain tasks depend on others. This helps you plan your work in a logical order and see where bottlenecks might appear in your project timeline.